So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add superscript text here in Microsoft Word. So what you have to do obviously is open up Microsoft Word and type something. So for example, I will just type in the word superscript just like this. I will then make it a little bit larger in size so it's easier for you guys to see. So what superscript text basically is right sort of in the top right here. So if you were adding like maybe to the power of something, or if you were writing like maybe like second, third, fourth, and you sort of want like the th in the top right to be small. A simple way to do this is to add subscript or superscript text. So for example, if I were to go to the top left here, press on home, then where it says bold, italicize, underline, strike through, there's an X right here with a 2 below it, that's subscript. There's an X right here with a 2 above it, that is superscript. So as I mentioned before, type in right here. So if you want to do maybe superscript right here, just like that. You can do that. Another way to do this is to actually just, let's just say type in the word 10. And if you want to go 10 to the power of 2, that's the way you can do it by adding superscript text. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to add superscript text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.